Welcome to the Valiant Lady. I'm going to give you a room tour of Sea Terrace 9050A. You use your band, use your wristband to get into the room. Oh, you gotta get real close to it. So welcome to the room. As you first walk in, you got a curtain that acts as a closet. We have our backpacks. You got some storage baskets. Probably get unpacked. Put your shoes, put whatever you think. Some hangers. Close that back up. Next up, we got a little closet. Closet consists of your life jackets, a safe, hair dryer. So you got a bunch of drawers that you can work with if you're the type to unpack for 4 days, 7 days, however many days. And that's that for that. Moving on, right as you enter, you got the bathroom. Fairly small, but that's okay, as expected on a cruise ship. Got a rain shower head. You got like an arm shower on the side of the wall. No need to bring any shampoo, conditioner, none of that, because they have it for you if you want. Coming back out, you got the sink. Everything down below. Tight squeeze for the toilet. A couple towels, and they come one time a day. Got the chair. You could probably go up to the desk. Or you can use this for the desk. There's your workspace. The tablet has everything you need on it to call for room service, your safety video. Phone call too. You get a bottle of water, a couple glasses. Down here below is your cooler / fridge. No telling how cool that gets, but we'll try that out later. Let's push this in, moving right along. This open space right here looks like the bed would turn into a couch, but right now it's in bed mode with a little work table or a nightstand. Some soft blanket. I almost thought it was a towel, actually. Looks very cozy. Got your TV. Virgin definitely did it nicely to give definitely a run for the money on other cruise lines. Another feature I found, open sesame. If you're sitting in bed, you got to get up to do it, but that's a little fun feature. It opens up and closes on its own with these buttons on the wall. Definitely a heavy door. Coming right out though, you have 2 regular chairs, a little table, have maybe a little breakfast and drinks or something along the lines. And then what looks like the favorite, the little hammock chair. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your Sea Terrace tour of room 9050 on Valiant Lady. If you like this, hit the thumb for me, subscribe if you're not already. There'll be more adventures on a plane, train, or cruise ship. See ya.